need to quit it. Okay.
You're pretty, by the way.
Hello there, my gorgeous community. Welcome back to another video. On today's video, I am going to be reviewing a couple stuff that I got at SHEIN. It's an online store. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I've been shopping there for quite a while now, and they do have a bunch of stuff that are very affordable for, like, if you want to wear stuff like it's called fast fashion. I learned that word recently about this girl because I follow this influencer on Instagram, and she wears a lot of high fashion stuff, and a lot of people always ask her questions like, how can you afford all of that? You know, I can't afford something like that. And she actually thrifts a lot, and most of her stuff are beautiful, and they're like worth like $200 a piece of shirt, but she got it for like 30 bucks, which is so cool. I want to learn how to thrift like her. And then she was talking about if you're gonna fast fashion, if you're gonna like shop just like in the moment, like Forever 21, all those like Chinese stores like Fashion Q, if you guys heard of that one. She also recommended, and I'm with her on this one, she recommended that we go to like take your clothes to the dry cleaner so it lasts you longer, so it's worth what you paid for. So let me show you what I got, and if you guys want to see what I got, please keep watching. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell button. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. I always say like, well, give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and let me know if you liked any of the products that I showed you guys today. It is not just clothes, they also sell home decor, they sell posters, pictures, stickers. So yeah, I have to show you guys what I got. A big old box. So, for starters, I want to tell you guys that this cute little pearl headpiece, I got it at SHEIN. Super cute. It was only $3, including these bracelets that they're a pair of 3. And I got these for $3 as well. They're super cute, you know. Fast fashion, guys. Think fast fashion, you know. Then, sorry guys, I just had to look for shit. I got this cute little marble wallpaper. I didn't get it for my wall. I actually got it for these little tables that I have to set up my recording session, my recording whatever right here. I have a table to set up my recording, and it was like filthy with makeup, so then I decided why not give it a hit and make it cuter, you know, fix it up a little bit. Don't have your stuff all ruined. Okay, let me show you. And then I also got this blazer in black. Super cute blazer, and I got it for work. Super oversized blazer. And then guys, I also got these 5 cute, so you can store like your most expensive wear. You know what I mean? I actually purchased one of these because when I got my dress, my wedding dress, I didn't have like nowhere to store it. Like, it comes in a bag, but I was scared, so I went ahead and looked for one of these, and they came in pretty fast and pretty quick, and I was like, okay, this is gonna help me. I don't need to go buy a crazy one. Plus they're all like paper. They're really good, and I actually got 5 of them, and I can also put like my man's clothes, like his business clothes in here, and my vest or whatever I need to take to the dry cleaners. I could always put it in one of these, which comes in handy, really cool. And then I also got this like waist belt. Super cute waist belt. Look at that, guys. Super cute. I feel like they're coming back. They used to be in style like 2008, and I feel like they're coming back. My sister would always wear these, I remember. Then I also got this other hairpiece, which is a black one, and I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I really like this one. It was super cute. These are also super in style. I don't know how I feel about it though. Oh, I like it actually. I had purchased a green one, you guys, and I look ridiculous. But this one looks super chic. I love it. Super cute. Verga. And I also got a pair of shoes. Remember I told you guys on my Christmas video that their shoes were bomb? Well, their shoes are bomb. So let me show you guys what I got. And obviously, yeah, I got them for work. And I got just these plain little flats. But the inside, you guys, super, super soft. Super, I mean, soft. No, I mean like super comfortable. Yeah, they're super comfortable. I love it. And let me put on my hairpiece again. Are you wait? Feel more cute with the hairpiece. Okay, and what else did I get? Oh, you guys, I got this little calendar. So you can have it like on your desktop. And you could just write what's going on this month. I really like these, and they come with a whole bunch, as you can see. And I also got one, the weekly times, which is super handy and cool. As you can see, I already started the first page, but as you can see, it has Monday through Friday and Saturday, Sunday. And then you can write some notes in the bottom. I feel like this helps you out a lot to stay organized, to know what you're doing each day. And it's like new year, new you, new goals, you know. Perfect. Let me see. Oh, then I need to show you guys, I got some cute stickers for my 2020 planner, and I have to show you guys the stickers. I divided it. I got like 3 stacks of stickers, but I want to show you guys my favorite one. And a butterfly, super cute. A boba or bubble drink, super cute. Some high heels. And the peach. Then I got wine o'clock somewhere. This is super cute. Let me see what are more cool. Some boxing gloves, an ocean wave, some lips. Oh, I have them upside down. Some lifting weights, a dumbbell, I mean. Then a shake. Look at this little cute little elephant. Isn't that so cute? So I got this cute little white vest, and it's like really long. I love it. Vests. Can you say vests? And they're not vests. They are blazers. And this one is my favorite. Like, super cute. I loved it when I got it. I was so obsessed with it. If you guys need one of these in your wardrobe, super cute. I loved it. And that is all that I received from SHEIN and that I purchased. You guys need to go check out that page. They do like a free trial, and if you win, you never know, you could win. You could try 3 pieces for free, and they will mail them out to you with 0 charges. And you get to like review them, and you don't have to like do a video. You could just literally take a picture with the outfit or take a picture of the product and then send it to them, and yeah, and then you could get approved for more and more and more and more and more. And that's how you build up more clothes and fast fashion. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Bye bye.